Running local AI model for privacy is great, but the big problem is you are stuck with a knowledge cutoff date. The model is frozen in time. To bridge that gap, in this video, we'll show you how to add web search capability to a local LLM in LM Studio, using Web Search MCP in just a few minutes. Let's check it out. Think of your local AI model as a brain. It can think but without hands. It cannot turn on the computer to access the internet. This is why we need MCP or Model Context Protocol. For this tutorial, I found a great free lightweight web search MCP built on top of Playwright. This MCP can let your model do three things. First is full web search. It will launch browser instances and search on Bing, Brave and DuckDuckGo. Then follow the link to extract the content. It also mimics the human behavior to avoid bot detection. This is the primary method we will instruct our model to use. Second is get web search summaries. It's the same as the first method, but it does not follow the link to extract the content for quicker result. Based on my experience, the result from this method usually provide insufficient information and the model have to switch back to full web search anyway, so I'm not using it. Third is get single web page content. This method takes a single URL as input and extract the content, which is very useful for a prompt such as summarize the content on this link. So to install this MCP, first we have to download the latest release from GitHub. Then extract the files. Then install the dependencies using npm install. Then install Playwright, which is a browser automation framework developed by Microsoft. And finally, build the project with npm run build. Now the MCP is ready, we'll add it to LM Studio. On the Chat UI Integration tab, click Install and edit mcp.json. Then add the following code. You'll also need to change the path to your MCP directory you've just built on previous step. Now the MCP is installed and ready to use, but your model doesn't know that, so you'll have to tell it by adding system prompt. Here is my recommended one. Basically, we add a critical rule that model must use full web search if we ask a question that requires current data or information, or use get single web page content if we provide URL. Do not say I cannot access the internet or my knowledge was cut off. Finally, make sure that you're using the correct prompt template. For example, I'm using a quantized Qwen Coder from Unsloth. So I'm going to use the provided template on Hugging Face. Okay, it's time for a test. First, I'm going to ask a question that requires an internet lookup. Who won the NBA Slam Dunk contest and 3-point contest on February 14, 2026? Instead of saying I don't have internet access, the model is now using MCP to look up the result. The first test looks good. Let's try another test. What is the current version of Visual Studio Code? Okay, the final test. Let's try the URL input. Can you look at this GitHub link and summarize what is this project about? You can see that the model used get single web page content to look at GitHub, and then look for additional info with full web search, then provide the analysis back to us. Now one final note before we end this tutorial. The MCP we added is only specific to the chat in LM Studio, which means if you access this model via API from third-party app, for example Roo Code in VS Code, then they can't use the Web Search MCP. You'll need to add the MCP to Roo Code mcp.json config too, and also add the system prompt to Roo Code to let the model know when to use the MCP. And that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next episode.